Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we'll explore our new feature, Export Date Format. Imagine you have a created date column in your grid, but its current format doesn't quite suit your export needs. You'd like to define a custom format that works better for you. Let's dive in and see how to do that. First, let's look at the current format. Click Export button. This is how it appears as the default date time format. Now, we'll change it. Start by clicking on the gear icon. Click Setup. Search for Custom Setting. Click Manage Data Grid Settings. Then click Edit. Scroll down to the section where you can define the date time format. You have a simple option, Set $local date format, which uses the system's default format. Or, you can define your own custom format. Click Save. Now, let's reload the page and try exporting again. Click Export. Great. Now we see the close date displayed in the format you've specified. Remember, you have the flexibility to define a format that truly suits your needs. Thank you for watching.